Intelligent lock installation tutorial. Front lock, rear lock, lock body screw, lock body, single tongue screw, double tongue screw, screw tube, square rod, spring, pull screw, IC card, key, battery. If it is a single lock tongue, use a single lock tongue screw to change direction. In the video, if there are double locking tongue screws are used to change direction. Adjust the door opening direction in the handle video to the right, with the handle facing to the right. At this point, use double locking tongue screws to secure the handle. If the handle rebounds, the adjustment is successful. Adjust the direction of the door handle in the video to the right, with the handle facing to the left. Tighten the fixing screws. If the handle rebounds, the adjustment is successful. After adjustment, all handles are facing upward. Tighten the front locking screw tube. Tighten the screw tube. Open the rear lock battery compartment cover. Attention when installing the lock body. First, place the square lock tongue downwards. Tighten the lock body screws. Insert square rod. Knock on the fixed square pole. Before installation, pay attention to aligning the square rod with the square rod hole and threading the data cable through the door hole. Measure the reserve length of the square pole from the indoor door edge and mark it with 1 to 3 centimeters. Cut off the excess part. Insert the spring. Connect the data cables of the front and rear locks properly. Range the excess data cables and insert them into the door gap. Align the square pole and fasten it onto it. After installation, the locking screws do not need to be tightened very tightly for easy adjustment in the future. Align the front and rear locks. Tighten the screws. Install for no. 5 batteries. Long press set for 5 seconds to restore production settings and reset initialization. Close the battery cover. Installation is complete. Fingerprint unlock. IC card unlocking. Password unlock. Key unlocking.